So one of my more recent videos of the Spider was me doing a time lapse of fitting the Orbisoud exhaust. I've done that job over winter. The car's been off the road for 4 months, not been run for 4 months. And I've done other jobs at the same time. So I've fitted the catch can, I've removed the EGR and done a few other little bits and pieces. So today is the first day of running the car up with the exhaust fitted, with the cat in place. Hopefully when I register the car here in Sweden and it's tested, I can put on the decat and do another video of the sound with the decat. But let's see how the Spider does after being sat for this amount of time. Bearing in mind it's a 24-year-old car now. And let's see what this new exhaust sounds like.